In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix this problem when you don't have the copy link to download a photo on Instagram. Like this, when you right here, it says copy link on the photo. But when you go to some But when you go to some other Instagram account and it says report, turn off post notifications button, there's no copy link. Now what you want to do when you have this problem is go to your Play Store and download an app that is called Save for IG. And the link will be in the description for this app. So once you downloaded it, log in with your Instagram account. And it'll be the same as your Instagram account. Like right here it says, and an ad might pop up every couple seconds when you're trying to download a photo, so just exit out when it comes. So now I'm going to find the photo I want to download, and it's here. It's this one, and it'll be that one, and you want to go in this, and on the bottom there should be a save this button, download button right there, and it says downloading. And see right there, an ad popped up. So once it's done downloading, you can exit, and it will be in your camera roll, wherever you keep your videos and photos like this. There should be a right there. There should be this folder called Save for IG, and the photo I downloaded it from this person's Instagram is right there. So that's it for this video, guys. Please like and subscribe for more how-to videos like these ones. Bye.